Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am showing you a cream that is very beneficial for your skin, face and hands. That is very beneficial for your hands also. Now put the peels of orange. Now take a grater and get the peels like this. Viewers, this is a very fine grated peels of orange. Now in this grated orange peels we take 1 spoon of peels and now add your moisturizer. One tablespoon. And aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon. Now mix it in a well manner. This is a very fine paste, viewers. It is made very fine paste. Viewers, apply it onto your skin for whole night for getting better results. And in the morning, wash your face and hands with warm water. Apply in all the winter season this remedy. It is very beneficial for your skin. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.